today to you all for the next episode of Cemetery Strolls. Today we're in Totland on the Isle of Wight and we're visiting St Saviour's Catholic Church. Let's look at a beautiful church. What we'll do is we're going to look for the graveyard first and then we'll go inside the church. But it does look beautiful. And we've had to take a bit of a walk to get to the graveyard up the road, even though it's behind the church. They've got a family centre built there now, which cuts off the entrance. So we're just coming to the entrance now. Got some little crosses. Mostly the 80s by the looks of it. We have some sort of a crown domain, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 2003, 20 years and it's looking like that. Thank the Burkamp Collinet, LRCP, London, MRCS, England, LSA. Died January 1927, age 73. Now I've seen Celtic crosses, but this is absolutely stunning. See if we can see who. The Reverend Amos Francis Mulholland, parish priest of St Saviour, Totland. Got some military graves, or Commonwealth War graves. You know me, I like to visit. We've got 6383. Battalion Sergeant Major J.J. Owen, Royal Garrison Artillery, 5th of January 1920, age 38. Next to him, we've got 4850, Sergeant Major C.E. Weaver, Duke of Cornwall, Light Infantry, 4th of September 1920, age 38. Thank you both for your service. This is nice. This is beautiful. Top piece actually looks like a knight's helmet. And then looks like a crest. Another memory of Josephine, wife of Edmund Sibbeth, Rains Park, Surrey, which is now actually London, who died 11th December 1895, aged 72. That is lovely. Small cross with some beautiful flowers. It must be lilies. See if we can read the writing. There's Lipton on it. Charles and Edith Mary Gertrude Packham, died February 1905, aged 15 years. Another one similar, but a larger one, so I'm assuming this is Major Royal Irish Fusiliers, died 15th of July 1918, aged 73. This must be her father. And this would be his wife. Sacred to the memory of Edith Mary Gertrude Packham, beloved wife of Major Charles Packham, died 4th of January 1953, aged 94. In between at the back here we've got 24292 Lance Corporal H. Veach, Duke of Cornwall, Light Infantry, 22nd of February 1919. Thank you for your service, sir. Daffodils ready to come through. Francis Mary Thompson, for many years a faithful servant of William George Ward, Esquire. She died 26th of November 1886. Oh, that's lovely. Josephine Mary, wife of Wilfrid Philip Ward, November 20th, 1932. Next door is her husband Wilfrid. Yet another beautiful cross. Wilfred Edward Hope Ward, eldest son of Wilfred and Josephine. So no, this must be one of their sons who departed life February 1902, aged 11 years. These are beautiful stones. Not sure what we've got up here because it could be new and old mixed together. Lovely graveyard out in the countryside, down on the west Wight. Yeah, so it looks like to my right, they are all new ones. In loving memory of Elizabeth Ellen Stewart, born 1st of the 1st, 1889, died 8th of the 3rd, 1974, aged 85. Beloved wife of Rear Admiral C.G. Stewart, DSO, DSC, born the 2nd of the 2nd, 1887, and died the 2nd of the 7th, 1970, age 83. Also their beloved son William, dies age 70. Over in the corner here we have another War One Commonwealth grave of A.F. Highland, Ordinary Seaman PJX 163009, Royal Navy, 8th of February 1945, age 21. Thank you for your service, sir. Loving memory of our Cook family roots, safe in God's care, together forever. It's got there. This is Guy Candace Hardcourt, OBE 1903 to 1976, and his loving wife Margaret Felice Harcourt, 1917 to 2015. This is very different. I'm not sure what it's made of. Metal. I don't know if that's Wheeland Ryan, 1915 to 2008. R.P. de Neville, 1914 2006. D.A.C. de Neville, 1913 2010. Then we got Annie Adrian Lawless, love wife and mother, 1881 to 1961. And loving memory of Peter James Lawless, 1878 to 1858, buried in London. This has got sort of red like. Rosalind Elizabeth Mary Chandler died August the 9th, 1940. Also her husband, Charles Chandler, who died September the 30th, 1968, age 92. This cross, I don't know if I could pick it up. It's Pray for the souls of Adelaide Catherine Gordon Sim, who died March 8, 1940, aged 86, and of Agnes Caroline William Freeman, who died June 12, 1950, aged 78. Violet Mary Hamsley died January the 25th, 1964. And then Richmond John Freeman Wallace, born the 20th of November 1928, died 97. Memory of Charles Spriggs, who died June the 6th, 1879, aged 8. And also William George Spriggs, who died June the 30th, 1983, aged 7 months. Rest in peace, little ones. So we have a father and son, or grandfather, looks like father and son. 2116 Sergeant J. Thomas, Royal Garrison Artillery, 25th of May 1916. And then also James Christopher Thomas, 27th of May 1902, 26th of September 1962. Thank you for your service, sir. Next door, we have another beautiful Celtic cross, and it's Mary Twelney, died 2nd of June 1936, aged 55. For 30 years, assistant mistress in Totland Catholic School. Lovely. Next door, we got Captain Dan Coombs, 3rd DSLI, died 30th of May 1916, aged 28. Thank you for your service, sir. Here we got Enrico Bertigani, died May 19th, 1932. And also Theodora, his wife, died August the 1st, 1940. see that one. Let's have a look. We've got Teresa Marie O'Meara, died 1st of July 1921, age 43, for 18 years mistress in Totland Catholic School. Let's got another Commonwealth. Got R. Jordan, Stoker, Royal Navy Reserves, 43479, HMS Magpie, 25th of November 1918, age 26. Thank you for your service, sir. We've got 18124, Battalion Commander M. Carroll, Royal Garrison of Artillery, 27th of January 1918. Thank you for your service, sir. Not sure what that one is. It's looks like an old bit of wood. It's been plonked in. There's nothing I can see written on it. Wooden one there. William Dale or William Nathan Dale. A little cross. Daffodils waiting to come up. And the roses here. Got some crocuses starting to grow on this one. Looks like Mary. Charles Edmund's next door. And then we've got beautiful snowdrops on this wonderful one. There's daffodils. Frederick Warby died February the 14th, 1911, age 65. Now I've come here for one specific reason as well, is visit the churchyard and see what else we can discover. And I've come to visit this person here, Alfred Noyes, a poet from 1880 to 1958. He actually wrote a famous poem, The Highwayman. He's buried here with his wife Mary Angela. Was born 1890 and died 1976. If we have a look on the bottom, we have Right, so that's that for the graveyard. What we'll do now is we'll take a strut back up the road and go and have a look inside the church of St Saviour. Right, let's go and have a look inside the St Saviour's Catholic Church. In memory of Lieutenant Charles John Winfield of Packham, 2nd Battalion, Hampshire Regiment, dearly loved son of Charles and G.E.M. Clayton of Hedden Hall, Allen Bay, Isle of Wight, who was killed in action. Darnells, April 28th, 1915, age 23. Thank you for your service, sir. Only water, but there's nothing in there. Have a look upstairs. Craftworks and wood carving. Christ on the cross. So yeah, I think that is it for St Saviour's in Totland. It's the newest, probably the newest, one of the newest churches on the island as well. But lovely place. So, well, thank you very much for joining me on this journey. I'm going to go somewhere else. So, thank you muchly. And don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment even if there's something that may interest you or you might want me to go back to. So, once again, thank you very much for following me. And I will see you in the next episode of Strolls. Thank you very much. Goodbye.